31 days are gone. Most men already quit. If you did, don't sit. Let's start to see how to restart. "31 days are gone. They are finished. You cannot get them back. If you are honest with yourself, you did not use them well. You told yourself this year would be different. You said you would wake up earlier. You said you would work harder. You said you would become disciplined. But most days, you chose comfort. You chose distraction. You chose the easy option. You scrolled when you should have focused. You slept when you should have moved. You waited for motivation that never came. And slowly, without noticing, time slipped away. This is not because you are weak. It is because comfort is addictive. Distraction is everywhere. And discipline feels uncomfortable at first. You are afraid of being tired, afraid of failing, afraid of starting and not finishing. So you delay, you postpone, you tell yourself you will start tomorrow. But tomorrow keeps moving. Now listen carefully. This is the moment where everything changes. Because at some point, you must stop blaming time. You must stop blaming circumstances. You must stop blaming motivation. What you are missing is not knowledge. It is responsibility. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to push you. No one is coming to hold you accountable. This is your life, your time, your potential. Discipline is not about feeling ready. It is about moving, even when you feel tired, even when you feel bored, even when you feel uncomfortable. Small actions done daily are more powerful than big plans done once. Wake up when it is hard. Train when you do not want to. Work when no one is watching. Do not aim to be perfect. Aim to be consistent, because consistency changes identity. Right now, you see yourself as someone who starts and stops, someone who tries and quits, someone who waits. But that identity is not fixed. Every disciplined action is a vote for a new version of you. Every hard choice reshapes who you are becoming. If you show up every day, even imperfectly, you will become someone you no longer recognize. Not overnight, not in 1 week, but over months of silent effort. And one day, people will say you changed. They will ask how you did it. They will not see the early mornings, the lonely discipline, the days you did not feel like it. 31 days are gone, but the year is not over. You still have time, but only if you act now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now, close this video. Stand up. Do one hard thing today. That is how men rise. If this video helped you, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.